Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can fix TikTok photo swipe not working. To do that, open the TikTok application first. So once you open the TikTok, you find that you're having a issue with photo swipe and it's not working on your TikTok phone device. So what you can do for that is you can update the application. This might cause because your application is outdated and you need to upgrade it to the latest version. For that, go to Google Play Store and there on the search bar you type TikTok and there you need to make sure that the update is done. Here you can see the open option, but if your TikTok application is not up to date, you will find the option update over here instead of open. So tap on update and update the application. After that, you need to go and check out whether the photo swipe option worked or not. This is one way how you can do this. Even after that, the issue is not solved. What you can do is you can uninstall the current TikTok application and reinstall the app. This might help you to solve the issue you're having. Even after that, this did not work, go to setting on your phone device. Then you need to go to the app and notification and open the TikTok app info piece. Tap on TikTok and open the app info piece. There you need to go to storage and cache. Tap that. And here you need to tap on clear cache. This will clear all the cache on TikTok. This might help you solve the issue you're having as well. Now go back to the TikTok and try it once more. Even after all that, it's still not working. Go to profile on bottom right and then you need to report it to the TikTok application. In the profile, go to the three horizontal lines on the top right and then tap on setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the bottom and there you tap on report a problem. In the report a problem section, you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on submit a report. And there you provide the issue you're having. So on the text box, you just type in TikTok swipe photo not working. Then tap on submit. Once the submit is done, TikTok will get back to you with the solution for this. These are the few ways how you can do or how you can fix the issue you're having of TikTok swipe not working. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.